Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you what is energy score on your Samsung Galaxy Ring. The energy score can be found in Galaxy Wearables app. It is here. Let's click on next, select your activity level, and then it will measure your energy, and then it will be displayed. It's in range between 0 to 100. 100 means the most full of energy, and 0 means low energy. And the key components that count into the energy score is sleep tracking, activity levels, and heart rate monitoring. You can click on About Energy Scores to learn more. You can see what is an energy score, how it works, how does it calculate, and here is the scoring, so you can read your score, for example 76, and you'll know that it's good but not excellent. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.